Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss how to split components into smaller components. Right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about flat list and its properties. Right? So in this class, we will discuss how to split the component into smaller components. Right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you can see, our code is getting bigger, right? Our code is getting bigger. So now our task is to reduce the code, right? We need to split the component into smaller component, right? So for that, you have to create the folder called components, right? Folder called components. So we will store all the components in this folder, right? So in this, I will create a new file called goal item.js, right? So in this component, I will store goal item JSX code and the functionality, right? I will store goal items JSX code and the functionality, right? So for that, I will write function goal item, right? I will open this function, right? I will return the JSX code, right? And I will just export this function, right? For that, you have to write export default and the goal item, right? Now this function is exported, right? So now we need to export the JSX code to the app.tsx, right? So first we need to go to the app.tsx, right? So each time the goal is represented here, right? This code is responsible for the goal item, right? So here I'll just cut this and I'll go to this goal item and I'll just copy here, right? Here I'll just copy here. So I have pasted the JSX code, right? So in this you can see, right? In this we are having the styles also. Right? So for that you have to import the style sheet, right? So import style sheet from React Native. We need to import style sheet from React Native, right? And here I have to create style sheet dot create, right? So here I have to open the flower brackets, right? So this style sheet I will store in the styles, right? I will store in the styles, right? So why I'm writing the styles here? Why? Because we have written here styles, right? So that's why I'm writing styles here, right? Right? So why we are writing these styles? Because here we have written this styles. So that's why I'm writing styles as the variable. So whatever variable which you want, you can declare. But here I'm writing styles only, right? So that's why I'm writing styles here also. I hope you understand, right? So here we are declaring goal styles and the text goal styles, right? So these styles also we have to import to this component from this app.tsx, right? So these two styles I will just cut here and I will just copy here, right? So we are having goal styles and the text goal style, right? So and here I have to import it, here I have to import it. So for that you have to just type import goal item, right? You got this goal item, right? So this is the path, right? This is the path, and here you have to write the component goal item. Goal item, and it is a self close, right? Not like this. We have to remove this parenthesis, and we have to write beside the return. Right, we have taken the goal item. Right, so in this way we can import, right? We can import this function, right? Goal item, right? We have written this function here. And we have exported this goal item, right? And we are importing in the app.tsx, right? I hope you understand, right? So in this way we can create, like we can split the components into smaller components, right? I hope you understand this class, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.